nagagamit ko sa pareho, discipline talaga. Kasi disiplina sa lahat ng bagay, sa health mo, sa pag-aaral ng kailangan mong gawin sa work. Kung wala kang disiplina kasi it speaks a lot of the kind of work that you do and the kind of person you are. So, sa theater, bawal po ang late. So if you are there on time, you're late. So also, ganun din dapat sa TV, sa mga events. Marami pong mga artists na hindi po pinagpapahalagahan yung time, yung pagiging on time nila. So ako, I value that. Saglit pa lang, ilang minuto pa lang, tataranta na ako. And you can see in my face na hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko pag malilate na ako. So I think that is the value, one of the values na nakikarry ko and sa both na world, theater and TV.
Thank you. May last ko na lang. Anong dream role mo sa theater? Dream play, dream role, tapos anong dream collab mo naman? Kakolab ng artist, local or foreign? Thank you.
Okay, dream role ko, I want to be Orpheus sa Hadestown. Ayan, if you guys are familiar with Hadestown. Kasi I went to New York last year to watch musicals sa Broadway. So one of the musicals na napanood ko, Hadestown, and nandun yung idol ko si Jordan Fisher. So siya si Orpheus doon. So ayun, dream come true na mapanood ko siya and I want to be like him. So ayun, gusto ko maging Orpheus sa Hadestown. And dream collaboration ko, since I am pushing my theater career, one day maka-work si Miss Rachel Ango in a production. Yes. Siya yun yung... Magaling si Siguro.
Alright, thank you very much, Jamie Ortega of Soundcheck Manila, for sharing with us your questions for Anthony. Ang susunod naman na magtatanong for us ay si MJ De Leon of Glitz.
Hi, Anthony. Sabi mo kasi 2022 mo pa sinulat yung song, tama ba? And then, medyo may changes ka. It went like a few notes down and stuff. Was there parang ang influence sa'yo because of the sudden emergence of P-pop to make it like sound like that?
Actually, yes. I think yung core talaga ni Anthony Rosaldo sa music is ballad, rock, ganyan, alternative. Eh, ngayon talaga what's in is K-pop, P-pop, something na parang kung aling magugustuhan ng Gen Z. So, may influence din talaga siya actually. I wanted to like tap yung demographic na yun. Kasi, ang hirap pagpasikat ng kanta. So, you also have to consider yung audience mo, kung sino yung makikinig. Kung okay sa tenga ko, at marami rin makaka-appreciate. Doon ako. So, ayun. I'm glad na yung binigay sa akin na arrangement ni Miss Rocky from Roxy, tumugma siya.
Sino mga favorite mong P-pop artists na sa tingin mo also influencing your music?
Okay, so, syempre, SB19. I can say na, hindi man ako super, 18, pero every time na may mapapanood akong performance nila online, and ang galing nila sumayaw, ang galing nila kumanta individually, grabe si Stell kumanta. So, ayun, parang hanga ako kasi before then, parang marami naman nagtatry and wala tayong kagaya nila na talagang ihaharap natin worldwide. So, sila yun at every time that they go on stage, hindi ka mapapaya na magaling. Ang galing nila talaga.
Last question for me. Do you think it's a good time for OPM? And what's your feeling about OPM these days?
Oh, it's a good time for OPM kasi hindi man ako ganun kababad sa social media, sa TikTok mostly. Pero nakikita ko maraming mga emerging na mga bagong artists na parang pwede pa rin ganun sound, nakakapag-create sila ng something like that. Like sila Maki, yung meron akong gustong kanta, yung Dilaw. Ang ganda ng Dilaw. Yung parang kaya pala na ganyang music. So parang let's give chance sa mga parang fresher, younger minds. And I think it's about time for people to discover new artists. Ang daming magagaling parang magugulat ka nila. No? Meron pa yung isa yung Anong pangalan ng kakolab ni JR sa isang song?
Dianella.
Ang galing niyang kumanta. Ganong mga kantahan dapat sa music. So yung parang ma-feel mo talaga within you na sarap, ganon. Yan, wala lang. So na-okay lang ako pala. Pero ang galing lang ng mga batch of artists ngayon. So gusto kong maging kagaya nila kasi ano ko laking contest ako So parang bugabire, perform, pero pwede na palang hindi ganon yung singing, di ba?
Congratulations! Baka may collaboration in the future.
Thank
You never
you, gusto
know.
ko. GMA, pwede ba? gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko matuto from them. So yun, parang gusto ko pang mas ma-expose sa kanila. So hopefully, this is the song that parang gives way to that and para mas maging close ako sa group of artists na yan.
Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat MJ De Leon of Blitz for asking away your questions. Meron pa po ba tayong last minute questions for our dearest members of the press? Meron pa po ba kayong mga katanungan para kay Anthony about his latest single or anything?
Going once.
Yes, you're going once, no? Meron pa po ba? Wala na.